moving, merging, and splitting sections. Sections can be rearranged within a heading, moved around the document, merged with other sections, or split into separate sections. To rearrange sections contained within a heading, click the three-dot section menu, then move the sections up or down. To move a section to a different part of the document, one way is drag and drop the section onto a heading in the outline tree. This will add it as the last section under the heading. The other way is to drag the section underneath a current heading or section. A multi-box will appear. Drop the section onto the moved box. The section has now been moved. Merging sections is done exactly the same, but instead of dropping the section onto the moved box, it is dropped onto the merge box. The section will then merge together to create one section. Finally, to split a section, either put the cursor at the beginning of the text, and click the split section icon in the editing toolbar. The content will be split to create a new section. Another way is to put the cursor above the text that needs to be split, so the quick insert button appears, then click the split section icon. The content underneath will be split to create a new section. If section numbering is turned on, and a section is moved, merged, or split, the section numbering will be automatically updated. After making these changes, depending on the user's permission, the sections will need to be submitted for approval or approved again.